I'm Paul Arnold, one of the product managers here at Baxi.
Hello, I'm Martin, the commercial trainer from here at Baxi.
And we're here today to talk to you about the new Quinta Ace range. So the new Quinta Ace still offers exactly the same range of outputs, running from 30 up to 160 kilowatts. The boilers are highly efficient, and we now manufacture the front cover out of ABS plastic, which is a recycled material designed to make the boilers more environmentally friendly. For those of you that are not familiar with the Quinta Ace, it features a monoblock aluminium heat exchanger to offer an incredibly tight footprint. We also have our proprietary Ace control system and their class-leading MK3 controller, which makes it incredibly easy to set up and commission the boiler. Our proprietary Ace control system is highly scalable and allows customers to build up the functionality of the boiler by purchasing additional prints and gateways, such as our Modbus and BACnet gateways. Working on the Quinta Ace could not be more simple. The boiler features a LED light to illuminate the cabinet when working in a dark plant room. There's plenty of space inside the boiler to get your hands in and tools when servicing. And what's more, we support the range with 24/7 around-the-clock customer support. So the new Quinta Ace range offers customers a choice of either a stainless steel or aluminium heat exchanger, but critically, we streamlined our accessories range. So regardless of the material type of the heat exchanger, it's one cascade kit, it's one range of flue, it's one range of controls.
One of the many advantages of the new Quinta Ace range is its ability to cascade directly from appliance to appliance. We can cascade a maximum of 4 appliances just with the use of a cable. So if you wanted to use a cascade, as I say, we can use up to 4 appliances in a cascade with this platform. All we need are these cables. We can pop a little cable into this connector inside there, pop a little end resistor in next to it, and that's good to go. So depending where you are within the country and depending on what water type you have in your system, you have 2 options within this range. We have an aluminium heat exchanger. We also have a stainless steel. So we have multiple options for cascading these particular boilers, be it the stainless steel or the aluminium. We can do wall mounted, we can do back to back, we can do freestanding rigs. It's all the same parts all the way through. That's for the aluminium and for the stainless steel. And we've standardized the accessories, so all of the flues, low loss headers, plate heat exchangers, cascade rigs are all the same throughout the range, stainless steel or aluminium. The control board that we are using throughout the range for the stainless steel and the aluminium is exactly the same. So the connection board that we use on this complete range, so the aluminium and the stainless steel, is called the CB25. We have multiple inputs and outputs that we can utilize for many, many different things. Most of the time we're going to have certainly enough capacity on here to run 99% of systems. If we wish to put additional boards in for various reasons, we have an L-bus connection here which connects directly on, and we have positions within the unit that we can clip the boards into. If that's not enough and we want even more functionality, we also have another box which is located just at the right hand side internally. This is the Quinta Ace S. It is a direct replacement for the Series 3. If we take the covers off, as you can see with the Quinta Ace S, we have a much larger screen. As you can see on the front of the screen here, we've got all these little tiles. These tiles are basically telling us what's happening in all different parts of the appliance and in the system. If we're using hot water, it will display hot water temperature. If we've got an external sensor, it will show us what's happening outside. And we've got all of these and space for others that we can see visual reference of everything happening at that moment. And we can navigate this very, very simply. For anybody that's worked with the Sirius boilers, they'll realise that they need to put quite a few cables into the master boiler. Once we move over to the Quinta Ace S platform, the maximum we need is 2. So in regards of backwards compatibility, when I speak about that, I mean putting one of the newer appliances onto one of the older cascades. There are certainly options available.
So it's the same great Quinta that we know and love, back with a 7-year warranty. To better support you and your customers, we've updated the website, where you can download technical data sheets, CAD files, BIM, a specifications guide and a product guide.
Don't forget, we also offer free training, either online or face-to-face at our training centre here in Warwick.
For more information, please contact your local technical solutions manager today.